Hi everyone. In today's class, I'll do one problem from the topic simplification. This is from the chapter arithmetic ability. In this problem, one expression is given. In this expression, addition is there, subtraction is there. Okay. Then decimal point is there, decimal number is there, like that. Then one bar bracket is there, like this. So many operations are there in this expression. See, we have to solve this expression. That answer is equal to four options are also given. Okay. So, to do this, to solve like this expression, to solve this expression, we have one rule that is said to be BODMAS rule. Because in this expression, all the operations are there. Okay. So, our intention is to remove the bracket first. Because B is there, that is removal of bracket. Then if off is there, that you have to remove. Then division you should do. Then multiplication. Then addition. Finally, you should do the subtraction according to this rule. You have to do step by step. One after the other you should do. Okay. First, we have to remove the bracket. Which is the most inside bracket? This bar bracket. That bracket we have to remove first. Okay. First, I am writing remaining all the terms as it is. 5 minus the square bracket 3 over 4 plus flower bracket. This I am making it as converting into improper fraction. 5 over 2. This decimal number I am writing it as 0.5. No, that is 5 over 10. When you simplify half only. Then plus my intention is to remove this bar bracket. Am I right? To remove this bar, what is the LCM of 6 and 7? 42. So 1 over 6 into 7. Multiply numerator as well as denominator by 7 to convert that denominator into 42. Then this side, multiply numerator and denominator by 6. Okay. Now, what is the next step? I'm writing 5 minus 3 over 4 plus 5 over 2 minus 1 over 2 plus 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 over 42. Okay. Next, my intention is to remove this curve bracket. What is the LCM of 2 and 42? That is 42 is LCM. So, multiply numerator and denominator by 21. So, 5 minus 3 over 4 plus 5 over 2 minus 21 plus 1, 22 by 42. Okay. Now, what is the LCM of 2 and 42 again? 42. Okay. Because I have to remove this flower bracket. Okay. Then 5 minus 3 over 4 plus 5 into 21, 105 minus 22. Okay. By 42. Okay. What is 105 minus 22? That is 83. 83 by 42. Next, I have to remove this square bracket. Finally, I should do subtraction. Okay. Now, 5 minus LCM of 4 and 42. 42 is 84. Am I right? If you find out LCM for 4 and 42, that is 84. 2 is going here. 2 times 21, 2. 1 time 21, 3, 7. 2 to suffer 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. Okay, now So 3 over 84, no, into 21. Multiply numerator and denominator by 21 because denominator is 4. 4 21s are 84. This side 83 by 42 into 2 because 42 2s are 84. Okay. Now 5 minus 3 21s are 63 by 84 plus 166 by 84. When you add these two, 166 plus 63, 229. So 5 minus 229 by 84. What is the LCM of 1 and 84? 84 only. So 5 into 84 by 84 minus 229 by 84. Okay. 5 fours are 22. 8s are 40. 420 minus 229 by 84. So after subtraction, 420 minus 229. That is 1. 11 minus 2, 9. So 1. So that is 191 by 84. Here all the options are in mixed fractions. So I have to convert this improper into mixed fraction. 2 times 168. Remainder is what? 23. So answer is 223 by 84. Which is the correct option? Correct option is C. Option is C. So this is the correct option. Thank